comes already charged at 80% out the box. Hello. Today I will be doing a review on the Bluetti Eb70S power station. Bluetti reached out to me and asked me to do a review. They sent me this power station. And in this video, I will be discussing ways that you can charge and discharge your power station. And this power station is the 800 watt with 716 watt hours. This power station comes with a live PO4 cell, which has 2,500 cycles. This power station comes with an AC adapter. It comes with a car charging port. It comes with the Bluetti AC adapter, which I had already took a loose and plugged in the power cord to the adapter. So it comes with this. It comes with the car charging port as well. And it comes with the PV solar charging cable. And I also mentioned earlier that it does come with a user manual and a warranty card. This power station has a 200 watt max input and a display that shows you the battery indicator, the input and output of the watts, and the frequency as well. It also comes with a wireless charging pad that has an output of 15 watts to charge your cell phone. Also, it has 3 power buttons, one for a flashlight, which you have to tap to activate the display. It also has a power button for the DC output, and you have to have that on to operate the DC output. It comes with 2 100 watt USB-C ports. It comes with 2 5-volt USB-A ports. And it comes with 2 regulated 12-volt DC outputs. And it comes with 1 12-volt car port. And there is a AC output power button as well, which you have to press it to operate the AC output section. It comes with 4 AC outlet ports. Each one has 100 volts per port. So this power station here has the capabilities of charging 12 devices simultaneously. In order to operate the wireless charging pad, you will have to turn on here the DC output power button. So right now it is on. And I'm going to place my cell phone. And as you can see, it is charging. So it has an output of 15 watts. It's at 5 watts as of now, but with my cell phone, it goes up to 10. And that's the cool thing about this Eb70S is that it has this convenient charging pad for your cell phone. Here I will be showing you how I am charging 6 devices at one time. I have my MacBook, my iPad, my cell phone, my watch, a camera, and a power bank. All charging these simultaneously, and it is pulling 68 watts. Wow, that is amazing that you can charge up to 12 devices at one time. But I'm utilizing 2 of the AC output ports, 2 of the USB-A ports, and 1 USB-C port, and along with the wireless charging pad. So that's 6 devices. So at this time, it is at 70 to 71 watts to charge these devices. Here we have a slow cooker. I'm going to turn on the power button for the AC outlet. And I'm going to plug that in. And I'm going to turn the power button on. For this slow cooker, you see the watts are going up. As of now, it's at 252 to 253 watts. So this power station is discharging 250 watts to operate this slow cooker. So very convenient to have during a power outage emergency. So I'm going to turn off the slow cooker. And you see the watts back to 0. This Bluetti Eb70S has the capabilities of charging LED lights. So, as you can see, the AC output port is power button. The AC power button is on. I'm going to plug in. And it has 2 3-prongs. Before I've been using just the 2. So I'm going to show you that it can operate using the 3-prong. There you go. At 23 watts, I can charge this LED light up to 20 to 30 hours. The Eb70S comes with 2 fans. And these 2 fans on each side of the power station would turn on once you plug it in. So let's plug this in. And you will hear, once you plug this in, the inverter. This is the input port here. So once you plug it in, the fans start activating. You may hear it now. So I'm charging it from my house outlet at the moment. I'm going to be showing you how the Eb70S can be charged, fully charged in your vehicle using the 12-volt charging cable. I'm going to insert this into the port. And I'm going to turn on my vehicle. There you go. You can see the battery indicator flashing. The fan is going as well. So that's letting you know that it's charging. And I'm going to shut my vehicle off. And you will see the, first you can see the input is giving 98 watts. So it would take 7 to 8 hours to fully charge the power station. And the maximum input is 200 watts for the power station. So I'm going to cut off the vehicle. And it's back at 0. Before you can fully charge your Eb70S generator with a solar panel. I don't have the Bluetti 200 watt solar panels, but you can purchase those online. And I have another brand of a solar panel, but it's only 100 watts. And the max watt for this power station is 200. So you can see here that it is charging. 59. That's how many watts it's inputting at the moment, is 59. But using 100 watt solar panel. That's the 100 watt solar panel, but it has a max of 200 watts of input. As I said before, there are other ways to charge your power station. And another way to charge it is with your generator. So I'm not going to cut on my generator. I'm just going to demonstrate with you how to connect your power station to your generator. So I'm going to input my AC adapter into the input port on the power station. And I'm going to plug the other end into my generator. So that's the other way that you can charge your power station. So you can charge it by generator, by the solar panel, by AC wall outlet, or by a 12-volt cigarette lighter. So there you have it on the ways that you can charge your generator.